Hello, Kaniwalan. Yan si Jonabel Fuentes, and today I am going to give an insight about how Indigenous People Education, or IPED, addresses the needs of Indigenous people. So, the Indigenous People Education, or IPED program in the Philippines addresses the needs of Indigenous peoples through multiple key measures. And the phrase, "ang lupang ninuno ang aking classroom," or ancestral land is my classroom, is a core embodiment of its philosophy. So based on DepEd Order 62 series of 2011 and DepEd Order number 32 series of 2015, IPED adopts a right-based approach recognizing the right of Indigenous communities and learners to education that aligns with their social and cultural context. So the curriculum incorporates Indigenous knowledge systems and practices, such as farming, health methods, and respects spiritual expressions to strengthen cultural identity. It implements mother tongue-based multilingual education to facilitate learning and preserve Indigenous languages. So, the phrase, "ang lupang ninuno ang aking classroom," treats ancestral domains as primary learning spaces, with learning activities designed in consultation with communities to maintain the area's well-being and sacredness. It also invites elders and culture bearers as teachers or mentors to pass on traditional knowledge. So as of 2021, it served 2.529 million IP learners in 42,176 public schools, with initiatives like contextualizing lesson plans, establishing IPED senior high schools, and hiring culturally competent teachers. So some institutions like Ateneo de Zamboanga University collaborate with communities to integrate education with social development programs such as adult literacy and livelihood training. So, despite progress, issues like school closures and land displacement threaten the continuity of IP education, highlighting the need for sustained support and protection of Indigenous rights.